Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up buying REITs on Fidelity, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your internet browser and navigate to the Fidelity website. Log into your Fidelity account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type REITs into the search bar and hit enter. You will be taken to a list of real estate investment trusts available for purchase. Review the list to find the REIT that interests you. Click on the name of the REIT for more detailed information. On the REIT's profile page, review the key statistics and recent performance. Once you have decided to proceed, look for the Trade button. Click the Trade button to open the order entry screen. Select the type of order you wish to place, such as market or limit. Enter the number of shares you want to buy. Review the total cost and ensure it fits your budget. Double-check your order details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Preview Order button. Review the preview screen to ensure everything is correct. Finally, click Submit to place your order. You will receive a confirmation message once your order is successfully placed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.